Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share AP ESET previous question paper 2021 chemistry bits. Which of the following is not a fundamental particle? The three fundamental particles of an atom are electron, proton and neutron. So option C, alpha particle is not a fundamental particle. A given orbital labeled by the magnetic quantum number m equal to -1. This cannot be. So m equal to -1 means the values of m depends upon the L values. So the m value varies from -L to +L including 0. So especially if we consider s orbital, here the L value is 0. So the m value is equal to 0. Coming to the p orbital, L value is 1. So m value includes -1, 0, 1. Coming to the d orbital, here the L value is 2. Hence m value includes -2 to +2. That is -2, -1, 0, +2. F orbital, L value is 3. Hence m value includes -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So m value is equal to 1 and this cannot be s orbital. So option A is the right answer. Maximum number of electrons that may be present in 1,4f orbital is. So 1,4f orbital means it can accommodate only 2 electrons. So option A is the right answer. Which of the following condition for the formation of ionic bond is favorable? So option A, small cation with small charge. Option B, small anion with large charge. Option C, large difference in the electronegativity. Yes, option C, that is large difference in the electronegativity is the right option. So if the electronegativity difference between the atoms is greater than 1.7, then it results in the formation of ionic bond. The valency of nitrogen in HNO2 is. So coming to the valency of nitrogen, it can be calculated by knowing the oxidation number. So the charge of the compound is always equal to 0. So here the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1. Oxidation state of nitrogen we have to calculate. So that will be X. Coming to the oxygen, 2 oxygen atoms are present and the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. That equal to 1 plus X minus 4 equal to 0. So X minus 3 is equal to 0. That means X equal to 3. So the oxidation state, that means the valency of nitrogen is 3. So option C is the right answer. The normality of 0.98% sulfuric acid solution is. 0.98% sulfuric acid solution means 0.98 grams of sulfuric acid is dissolved in 100 ml of water. That implies 9.8 grams of the sulfuric acid will be dissolved in 1000 ml, that is 1 liter of the water. So normality of 1 liter of the solution can be calculated by using the formula weight by gram equivalent weight. So here what is the weight of the sulfuric acid? 9.8. And coming to the gram equivalent weight, the gram equivalent weight of the sulfuric acid is 49 and that is equal to 0.2 normal. So option B, that is 0.2 normal, is the right answer. the equivalent weight of copper sulfate when it is converted into cuprous iodide is. So here copper sulfate is converted into cuprous iodide. That means here the copper is present in +2 oxidation state and that is converted into cuprous iodide, means here the copper is present in +1 oxidation state. Here 1 electron is gained. So how many electrons are gained? 1 electron. So in this case the equivalent weight is obtained by dividing molecular weight with n factor. N factor means the number of electrons lost or gained. So here it is, the molecular weight is given as m and here only 1 electron is gained. So m by 1 is the right option. So option A, that is m by 1, is the right answer. Which of the following is the centinormal solution? So one normal means that is the normal solution. Decinormal means n by 10 solution. Centinormal means n by 100 solution. So option D, n by 100, is the right option. The unit for ionic product of water is. So ionic product of water means Kw is equal to molar concentration of H plus into molar concentration of OH. So always concentration is expressed in terms of moles per liter. So option C, that is mole square per liter square, is the right answer. Which of the following is relatively strong Lewis acid? So in the case of boron halides, here boron is the cation and halide is the anion. So the acidic nature of the boron halides depends upon the size of the anion. So as the size of the anion increases, the acidic strength also increases. So iodide is having the large size. So option D, that is boron triiodide, is having the strongest acidic nature. So it is relatively strong Lewis acid. The decrease in electrical conductivity of metals with the increase in temperature is due to increase in. So in the case of metallic conductors, always with the increase of temperature the conductivity decreases, and this is mainly due to the increase in the vibrations of the atoms. So whenever the vibrations of the atoms increases, they exhibits much resistance to the conductance, and hence here the decrease in the electrical conductivity of metals with the increase of temperature is mainly due to the resistance of the metal. In the electrolytic cell, flow of electrons is from. So in an electrolytic cell, always the flow of electrons takes place from anode to cathode through external circuit. So whenever if we consider an electrolytic cell, so once if we consider the battery, so here the current flows from anode to cathode internally. So coming to the flow of electrons, it takes place from cathode to anode internally, but coming to the external circuit, the flow of electrons takes place from anode to cathode. The product of electrolysis of aqueous NaCl solution is. So whenever if we consider aqueous solutions, along with metal ion, H plus ions will be present. So at anode always the chlorine gas will be liberated. But coming to the cathode, here two types of cations are present, H plus and Na plus ions. If the cation is noble metal, the metal will be deposited. If the cation is other than noble metal, then hydrogen gas will be liberated. Noble metals means copper, silver, gold, platinum. Here sodium metal is present, so hydrogen gas will be liberated at the cathode and chlorine gas will be liberated at anode. So option B is the right answer. When zinc piece is kept in copper sulfate solution, copper get precipitated because, so that means whenever zinc piece is placed in copper sulfate solution, let us see what happens. Remember that always zinc is having the lower value for standard reduction potential. So the electrode potential of zinc is minus 0.76 volts and that of copper is plus 0.34 volts. So the metal with higher reduction potential always will be present in the metallic state. So here zinc undergoes oxidation and it replaces the copper from the copper sulfate solution. So this is because the reduction potential of zinc is less than that of copper. So option B is the right answer. That is, the standard reduction potential of zinc is less than copper. Hardness of water is expressed in terms of, it is always expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents because it is the most insoluble salt which can be precipitated out from water easily and its molecular weight is 100, which makes calculations easy. Anion exchange resin is regenerated by using. So anion exchange can be regenerated by washing with dilute NaOH solution. So option C is the right answer. Which of the following is responsible for temporary hardness? Temporary hardness is mainly due to the presence of bicarbonates of magnesium and calcium. So here option D, that is magnesium bicarbonate, is the right answer. Corrosion is an example of. So whenever metals undergo corrosion, they result in the formation of metallic ions. So it is good example for oxidation. So option A is the right answer. In the electrochemical corrosion, if the formed corrosion product is insoluble in the medium, then the corrosion rate is further. That means whenever the metal reacts with the surrounding environment, always it results in the formation of metal oxide film. If this metal oxide film is insoluble in the medium, that means this metal oxide film is stable and hence it prevents further corrosion. Definitely the corrosion will be decreased. So option B is the right answer. Which of the following is an example of copolymer? Copolymer means it is obtained by the polymerization of monomers having different chemical structure. So coming to the given options, PVC is obtained by the polymerization of vinyl chloride. Teflon is obtained by the polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene. Polyethylene is obtained by the polymerization of ethylene. Coming to the Buna S rubber, it is obtained by the polymerization of 1,3-butadiene and styrene. So option D, that is Buna S rubber, is good example for copolymer. Which of the following polymer contain nitrogen atoms? So when we consider PVC, it consists of carbon atoms only. Bakelite also contains carbon atoms. Coming to the nylon, which is obtained by the polymerization of caprolactam, it contains nitrogen atom. So here option C, nylon, is the right answer. Isoprene is the monomer of natural rubber. The only liquid fuel in nature is, all the given options are liquid fuels, but remember that in nature only petroleum is available as the source of liquid fuels, which is also known as crude oil. So option D, that is petroleum, is the right option, and the remaining liquid fuels are derived from the petroleum. The medium which reacts with pollutant is, it is called as sink. So option A is the right answer. Which of the following is used in the estimation of COD, that is chemical oxygen demand? So definitely potassium dichromate along with 50% sulfuric acid is used for the estimation of COD of water. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.